Everyone greets you when you come in, everyone's saying good morning. It's more than just coming to work every day. I'm more or less coming to work and I'm not hanging out with friends, but I get to see my friends daily and, talk to them on a daily basis. My name's Jeremy Wyatt. I'm a warehouse manager here at Cardinal Heating. I've been here over 6 years. Started out pretty much as a parts runner, kind of a little grunt guy, helped out in other areas, did little installs, did pretty much everything they needed me to help with. And then I went into the field. I went to school for service tech, and I was in my own van for about a year. And then I was presented with the warehouse manager position, and I accepted it. They're really good with giving people chances if they want to move up and see what it's like into the field. Dealing with different trades of the company. I mean, you got electrical, plumbing, you deal with all parts of it, and you get to pretty much learn a lot about it, know all the parts, how stuff works. The best thing about it is the friendly atmosphere and coming in and knowing that the owners are down present and making sure the day is started out right and there's not chaos going on, and they're open for any questions you got. I can reach any one of them at any point of the day. Some companies you don't even know who's running the company, it's just some guy in a different state. Here the owner's literally down on the floor every morning greeting you, asking if everything's going good with your day, if you need anything. You come in here and you feel appreciated.